When you get finished here, please go check out our TikTok and Instagram. And while you're there, please give us a follow. Thank you. Hi, everybody. Devin here from Let's Head Out. Today, we're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we're going to eat at Mama's Farmhouse again. It's been a little while since we ate here, so we thought we would just kind of try it out again, and we brought Mama with us this time. So yeah, let's head out. All right, so it's a 45-minute wait today. We came on a Sunday. I think we came on I don't think we came on Sunday last time we were here. I think it was Saturday. It was either Saturday or Friday. I don't remember. But you can do breakfast every day. Hannah says she read somewhere where it was till 1, but I'm not sure. Sunday. On Sundays it is. So you can get your lunch and dinner as well. You get a choice of white bean soup or chili, a basket of buttermilk biscuits with homemade fruit butter. You may pick 2 meats from the 3 meats, and then you get 4 sides from the 10 that are here. I think we decided to go with the meatloaf and turkey and stuffing. And we decided to do the mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, fried okra, and green beans. Also, they have Monday through Friday blue plate specials. And then also you can get a dessert, which is banana pudding, peach cobbler, chocolate chip cookies, or chocolate cobbler with ice cream. And so, yeah. And then they have these blue plate specials for during the week. Go through here. And get to our table. Somewhere through here. Alright, so we decided to change it up a little bit. So I got Mom Pop hanging over my head right here. So anyways, we decided to change it up a little bit, and we decided to do breakfast, since we've never had breakfast here before, and we got here just in enough time to get breakfast. So she told us that you get everything on this list for breakfast, so I'm going to show you that. Alright, so you get all of this stuff right here, every bit of it, and you can actually get a waffle, but it's by request, so I might get a waffle just to try it, but that's going to be a lot of food, so yeah, I'm kind of excited about it, so yeah, just as soon as it gets here, I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so they brought us out some pinwheels and some peach butter and these baked apples. The baked apples are really good. So Hannah had tried a piece of the pinwheel. We're gonna try one of these pinwheels real quick. Oh wow. Yeah, so the peach, I guess it's like peach preserves.
It's like a peach butter.
Like a peach butter. Is really good. The pinwheels are delicious as well. We'll talk more about it after we get finished eating everything and get back to it. But yeah, so far so good. All right, so we have some good looking food here. We have grits, eggs, sausage gravy, hash brown casserole, sausage, bacon, chicken tenders on the other side over there hiding. And we got biscuits and we got chocolate gravy. So yeah, we're gonna dig in, and then we'll talk about it when we get back to the car. I'm excited over food. That's crazy, right? All right. So I ate way too much. Yeah. I need to go for a really long walk. I'm going to start out with talking about the one thing that everybody in this car is wanting to talk about right now, and that's their grits.
Oh, my gracious.
I'm not sure exactly what they put in their grits. I know the lady said that they're chicken-based, but they're real creamy, delicious, mouth-watering. I can't.
It's like cream corn, but grit form.
It's cream corn, but grit form.
Yeah, they're delicious. They're like,
They are.
and I don't even like grits, but those things, oh my heavens,
They are good.
they're a must try.
So the breakfast is all you can eat, just like they do for lunch. It was right around $20 for the drinks. I had coffee, and me and Hannah and I had coffee. Mom and Amelia had hot tea. It was like $3.50 a glass. So it was right in, and the meal was $17 and something. So it was right around $20 to eat breakfast. But it was worth it.
Yes.
This I've ate. We have had breakfast at several places here in Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, and this could be the best breakfast that I've had anywhere in the area. Paula Dean's was good, but it wasn't as good as this.
Mama's Farmhouse good.
The biscuits are amazing.
They're huge and they're fluffy. They're
You can request waffles. We got waffles. I don't know if I ever put the waffles on the video. They're just little small waffles.
The bacon was good.
The bacon was good. The sausage was good. I'm gonna get back to the waffles real quick. I had a waffle with syrup, and we had a waffle with we used the peach.
I think it's either
Peach
syrup, peach
The
sauce.
stuff that they gave you with the pinwheels at the beginning of the meal.
It's
Both
next
ways
level.
is delicious. I actually prefer the peach stuff on the top of the waffle that I ate. I'm trying to think of some other stuff. The eggs were pretty good.
They had
The hash brown casserole was
Oh, that
delicious.
hash brown casserole.
It was very, very
But
cheesy.
not as
And
good
they
as
had-
the grits.
They had the chocolate and the regular.
Yeah, they had
gravy
chocolate
and
gravy
biscuits.
and just like regular gravy. They have sausage gravy on there, but there wasn't any sausage in what we had. It was more like pepper gravy, but it was delicious
It was
as
really
well.
good.
I tried the chocolate gravy, and the chocolate gravy was good too. The pinwheels were really good.
Yeah,
were
they were
buttery.
good.
They
The
were
apples were
really
good.
The apples were good.
Apple slice.
Everything was good.
It was all delicious.
So me,
We ate
it
too
was worth it for
Yes.
sure. They almost needed to get a bulldozer to get me out of that place. But it was delicious, and it was kind of cool because I thought we were just going to have to eat lunch. But they were serving breakfast when we went. I think they served breakfast up to 1 o'clock
On Sundays.
on Sundays. So we were able to do the breakfast, which I was excited about. Their coffee was really good.
Yes, it was.
I used to say that IHOP had the best coffee of a restaurant, but Mama's Farmhouse is really good. So yeah. 10 out of 10.
10 out of
Yep.
10.
If I could give it 100 out of 100, I would. But I wouldn't have enough space at the bottom of the video to put 100 squatchies up there. So yeah, highly recommend coming and eating Mama's Farmhouse for breakfast. Like I said, could be the best breakfast in Pigeon Forge. So yeah,
kind of back behind. It's back behind.
yeah, it's back behind the Lost Mine. I think it's called Miniature
Yeah.
Golf.
The golf course that's like near Mama's Farmhouse is called Lost Treasure.
That wraps this video up. Thank you for watching. If you're watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. With that and watching other videos are the best two ways for me to ask you to help support our channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to my family and I, and to the future of our channel. If you'd like to help us monetarily, there are a couple options in the description box below the video. One of those is channel membership. Please give us a thumbs up. Please ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And while you're here, please give us a share as well. So I guess that wraps this video up. So until next time, let's head out together. See ya!